topic in English first grade, which is descriptive text. Today's lesson is describing adjective, and let me introduce you to our important source today, rumahbelajar.com. Here is the headline of our discussion today. Based on sumber belajar of rumahbelajar.com, there will be three main parts of the adjective discussion. At the first part, you're going to see how adjectives are used to describe things. This is called as descriptive adjective. And at the second part, you're going to see how adjectives are used to compare things. And at the end, you're going to see more than one word adjective, or what we call as compound adjective. First of all, we have a question in our mind. What is adjective? What is adjective? Adjectives are words that are used to describe a thing, or a person, or even a place. Simply, it is used to describe a noun. Adjective, it has several characteristics. First of all, adjective is always placed before a noun. So I give you an example. He is a smart student. Which one is an adjective in the sentence? Well, that's right. The adjective is smart. Smart is put before the student. So, smart is used to modify or give more emphasis to what student look like. The second characteristic of adjective is adjectives are always the same for all nouns, no matter whether it is singular or plural in the sentence. So, this is an example. I have a red apple. Or in another sentence, I can say, I have red apples. So in those sentences, we understand that red stays the same even for singular apple and plural apples. Well, students, we can easily create adjective even from verbs. So I have an example in a sentence like, the movie interests me a lot. So in that case, interest is a verb. Then if you want to change that verb into adjective, we can simply add ing, becoming interesting, or interested. Okay, so interesting and interested are both adjectives that we can use in our sentence. The word interesting indicates that something is interesting and make people interested in that. So the movie is interesting. So the movie has a quality to interest people to watch. And now, in another sentence, I can say I'm interested in watching the movie. So interested means that I really want to watch the movie. So I'm interested in watching the movie. Okay, it's time now to discuss comparative adjective. What are comparative adjectives? Comparative adjectives are adjectives used to compare things. So there are two kinds of adjective in this case, one syllable adjective and more syllable adjective. Normally in one syllable adjective, you can simply add er or ir to the best word. This is an example. For the word big, we can have bigger as the comparative adjective. For most syllable adjective, the word like beautiful or handsome, you can simply add more to compare to make it becoming comparative adjective. So we have word more beautiful. Another important discussion of adjective are compound adjective. You can also see this kind of adjective in rumahbelajar.com. So compound adjective are adjective that consist of more than one word. So it is two-word adjective that is usually linked by using hyphen. So that's why in some cases it is also called hyphenated adjective. So I have an example for you. He has brownish black hair. So brownish and black are two words that are used to describe hair. So that's why it is used by using a hyphen. Brownish hyphen black hair. So that's about compound adjective. Already seen kinds of adjective through sumber belajar of rumahbelajar.com. Now it's time for us to practice how to use that to describe a person in our sentences. That's all for today's video. I'm Neng Sotun Hasana and salam kembali.